India's attempts to mislead the international community about the prevailing grim human rights situations received a major setback as China has announced that it will not attend the upcoming G20 meeting being hosted by India in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Wang Wenbin, during his regular briefing in Beijing today, said China firmly opposes holding any form of G20 meetings in disputed territories and will not attend any such meetings. All parties, Hurriyat Conference and other organizations have expressed serious concern over the deteriorating situation in the occupied territory. All parties, Hurriyat Conference spokesmen and other organizations including Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League, Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference and Jammu and Kashmir Political Resistance Movement in their separate statement said Indian troops and police personnel have arrested hundreds of Kashmiris including Hurriyat leaders and activists during massive house raids in the name of so-called security of the G20 meeting and lodged them in different jails and police stations. A woman was found dead in South Kashmir's Islamabad district today. The body of a woman identified as Sabah Begum was found in Nala of the district. Meanwhile, after the death of a youth in Tangdhar Kupwara road accident, his brother also succumbed to the injuries in the Srinagar hospital today. Incarcerated chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Masarrat Aalam Butt, has urged the people to observe a complete strike on May 22nd, Monday, against the holding of the G20 meeting in Srinagar by Narendra Modi-led Indian government. Masarrat Aalam Butt, in his message from the infamous Tihar Jail in New Delhi, also appealed to the Kashmiris living in Azad Jammu and Kashmir to hold protest demonstrations on this day against the illegal move of the Modi regime. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, has strongly condemned the police raids on the houses of illegally detained senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Shabir Ahmed Shah and other people in Srinagar ahead of the G20 meeting. Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said India was pretending normalcy and peace in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, which never existed there. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has expressed serious concern over the arrest of All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders Yasmin Raja and Zamruddha Habib in the occupied Kashmir. IIOJK chapter convener Mahmood Ahmed Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said Hurriyat leaders are being arrested in false charges by the Indian government as part of the policy to create an atmosphere of fear and terror in the occupied territory. As India prepares to host a meeting of tourism officials from the G20 in the disputed territory of Kashmir, authorities have deployed elite commandos and stepped up security in the region's largest city, reported New York-based Associated Press news agency. Indian authorities are hoping that the meeting will show that the controversial changes have brought peace and prosperity to the region, it added. Awami Action Committee, led by Mirwais Umar Farooq, has said that not only those involved in the murder of Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq, but also the preparators of the Hawal carnage should be brought to book. Mirwais Muhammad Farooq was shot dead by unidentified gunmen at his residence in Srinagar on 21st May in 1990. On the same day, 70 mourners were killed when Indian troops opened indiscriminate fire on his funeral procession in Hawal area of the Srinagar.